Hi, this is Mandar from Copper. We're going to talk about bear markets and bull markets. Well, bull and bear markets are nothing but situations in financial markets. Now, what's a bull market? Well, a bull market is a period of several months or even maybe several years during which stock prices on a stock exchange are consistently rising or are at least expected to rise. The term bull market is often referred to anything that is traded on the stock market, whether it is equity, bonds, real estate, currency, or commodities. An example of a bull market period was between December 2011 and March 2015, where the Indian stock market or BSE's Sensex index surged more than 98%. Now, the Sensex is nothing but an index of the top 30 large companies and most actively traded companies on the BSE, and this Sensex increased by 98% within the period of December 2011 and 2015. We were enjoying the bull market. Now, what are the key indicators that tell us that we are living in a bull market? Well, the GDP or the gross domestic product of the country is increasing, right? Second, I would say there is a significant rise in the portfolios or share prices of companies and portfolios of investors. So the investors are overall seeing a growth in their portfolio. Third, the employment rate of the company or of the economy or the country is rising and seen growing as a whole. The bull market is an optimistic market where large volumes of shares are traded on a day to day basis. Investors are enjoying good returns. Now, let's talk about the bear market or the position in the market which is opposite to that of the bull market. The bear market is a period of several months or maybe even several years during which stock prices are consistently declining or are expected to decline. What we are experiencing today in the COVID 19 situation is a bear market, and this bear market is a global trend across all global stock exchanges. Another example of the bear market was somewhere between March 2015 and February 2016, where the Sensex dropped by more than 23%. Now, what tells us that we are living in a bear market? Most of it is negative news that you are seeing. First, the GDP of the economy is decreasing or is projected to decline. For India, in the coming year, the government has shown a negative rate of growth, which means the GDP of the economy is going to decline. Second, there is a fall in the share price of investors or the portfolio of investors. In today's bear market, a lot of investors are losing money. Billions of dollars are lost globally because the stock markets or share markets are on the decline or they are in the bear position. Third indicator is that the overall employment rate of the economy is decreasing. If you look at recent news in the United States, 36 million people have filed for unemployment in this COVID 19 situation. So, overall, not just in the United States, but also in India and other countries, the employment rates are on the decline. Large companies as well as startup companies are letting go of people. There are too many people in the market who are looking for a job. The bear market essentially is a pessimistic market with very low volumes of shares being traded. Just to summarize what a bear and a bull market is. A bull market is where the share prices are increasing. The bear market is opposite to the bull market. The share prices are decreasing. Bull markets are associated with positive growth in GDP, rise in stock prices, and high employment rates, whereas bear markets are quite the opposite. The unemployment rate is high, and the stock prices are in a continuous decline. That's it for now. Have a good day.